Welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix WhatsApp backup problem. Well, there are a couple of reasons why you could be facing this problem. The first could be your internet connection. So if you have a stable internet connection, it should not be a problem, but you can also try switching between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data. If that doesn't work, try to turn on and turn off your airplane mode, which will give it a fresh restart. Also, if you are on an iOS device, what you can do is simply go ahead and open settings application and then head straight into general and scroll all the way down to transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset and reset network settings. This will go ahead and help as well. The second thing you want to verify is if you are trying to back it up to Google Drive or iCloud storage, ensure that you have enough storage. In order to do so, simply go ahead and open your settings, click on your profile icon, and then click on iCloud. As you can see, my storage is full. All you need to do is upgrade to another plan. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.